Open the Europass.eu website and click on Log into Europass. Now click on the Create an Account option. Fill in the details and click on the Create Your Account button at the bottom of the form. You will receive an email on the given email ID. Click on the link in the received email. A new page will open to set your password. Fill in your password and click on Submit. Once your password is set successfully, click on the Login button on the top right corner of your screen to proceed to your account. Provide your username and password to log in. Click on the Create My Profile option. Fill in your personal details and press the Next button. On this screen, fill up your work experience and click on the Next button. Fill in your educational details and click on the Next button. Add your personal skills and click on Create. Now add your profile picture if you are willing to. Now click on Create your CV now. Now click on Start from your profile. Select No Thanks. Now you are on the final step. Select any template of your choice and remove the logo of Europass by unchecking the option and click on Next. Provide the file name and click on Download to download the excellent free CV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day and enjoy your CV.